Hi, Bo Loving. Let's make the head of my sister to be beautiful, Gemtase. We're going to use our new Resto Plus Rich Olive Oil Relaxer Kit, Gemtase, that is including 4 sachets inside and a protective gloves, love, inside. This one is our first sachet, that is a relaxer cream, is having a olive oil inside, and this second one is a neutralizing shampoo that is having a shea butter inside, and this one is a cholesterol treatment that is having a castor oil. Is good to get this one because is restore, repair and moisturize your damaged hair. Is good too much. And this one is a olive moisturizer, love, you put when you're done relaxing. And our protective gloves, then I put the protective gloves so that is not eating my hand. You see how bad is the hair of my sister. Then we start again our journey of relaxing. Then I start to relax the growth so that the chemical start in the growth. Then I rub and massage my hair so that is entering inside. Then I comb so that is silky the hair. Then I start with my step 2, the neutralizing shampoo. Then we wash. You see how beautiful is this form. It's not making your hair to be pink. It's just beautiful because it's containing shea butter. Then you see I washed it already. And our step 3 of the cholesterol treatment that is having a castor oil. I put it, then I wait for 5 minutes. Then I rinse. You see uyanqwaza and put the duke inside the head so that it's become dry, not dry. Ne? Then we start to head dry to make the head to be drying. Then our step 4 is our moisturizing olive oil moisturizer. Then we put it in the scalp first so that it is always smooth as the scalp. You see, you can tell was that bad hair that was not good. You see, you cannot tell, love. Get this kit, love, kwa Macro, Kit Kat, Cash and Carry, Anita's, Charmers, Jumbo Cash and Carry, New Look Cosmetics, Cosmetic Connection, Right Price Wholesalers, Super Safe, Yarona Cash and Carry, Foodie Town Hyper. And the price is 97 Rand only. Get this all in one, love, and never regret.